Welcome once again for the today's lecture in physics. Just you can see here that what we have shown, temperature coefficient of expansion. The body expand because of heat energy, and if you are relating the expansion in terms of different physical quantity just like length, area and volume, I have tried to show here that there is a rod of length certain length and you rotate that rod. Because of that heat energy, its length increases, means and if because of heat energy there is a area increases, or in the same way if you are trying to increase the volume of the block also because of heat energy, then respectively those are called as linear expansion, aerial expansion or surface expansion, and volume expansion or cubical expansion. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर किसी रॉड को आप हीट एनर्जी सप्लाई करते हो तो उसकी वजह से उसकी लंबाई बढ़ती है, उस लेंथ इंक्रीजेस. एंड व्हाट इज द एक्सप्रेशन? दैट एक्सप्रेशन इज द lateral length is LT, and if it at 0 degrees Celsius this length is L0, and its temperature increases from 0 degrees Celsius to T degrees Celsius, then the lateral length, the final length LT is equal to alpha into bracket L0 into bracket 1 plus alpha t. Here this L0 is original length. I would like to write somewhere here. L0 is original length. 1 plus alpha is called as coefficient of linear expansion. Similarly, मान लो there is a square, metal square actually, its initial area is A0 with its length and breadth L0 at 0 degrees Celsius, and if you are trying to hit that body and because of heat energy its temperature increases from 0 degrees Celsius to T degrees Celsius, its length L0 LT increases from as LT, and LT means its area increases. Therefore the new area AT is equal to A0 original area into 1 plus beta T. Here this beta is called as coefficient of surface expansion or coefficient of superficial expansion or coefficient of aerial expansion. Similar expression can be obtained in case of cube. There is a cube of volume V0 with its length, breadth and height L0, and it is heated, means it's expand, its size increases so that its length increases from L0, length, breadth, height increases from LT up to LT, and its temperature increases from 0 degrees Celsius to T degrees Celsius. The final volume V2 can be related with V0 as Vt is equal to V0 into bracket 1 plus gamma T. This gamma is called as coefficient of cubical expansion or coefficient of volume expansion. What we are trying to do, we have to trying to obtain the relation between alpha, coefficient of linear expansion, increasing length, beta, coefficient of superficial expansion, coefficient of aerial expansion, increase in area, and of course gamma is coefficient of cubical expansion or volume coefficient of temperature coefficient, increase in volume. How that can be related? Let us start now. Just let me begin from this term here. LT is equal to L0 into bracket 1 plus alpha t. I am squaring this equation on both sides. It becomes LT square is equal to L0 square into 1 plus alpha t bracket square, means what? 1 plus twice alpha t plus alpha square t square, x plus y bracket square means x square plus twice xy plus y square. You can see here that alpha is very small, therefore alpha square is again small, its value is too much small. इट कैन बी निगलेक्टेड. अल्फ़ा की वैल्यू बहुत ही कम होती है, जिसकी कीमत इतनी कम होने की वजह से अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर अगेन कम हो जाता है. उसकी वजह से अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर कैन बी निगलेक्टेड, कैन बी एक्सक्लूडेड, उसको छोड़ दो. फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन विल बी एल टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एल जीरो स्क्वायर इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस ट्वाइस अल्फ़ा टी. ऐसा आप लिख सकते. और ट्राई टू कंबाइन दिस एल टी स्क्वायर मीन्स वॉट? स्क्वायर ऑफ लेंथ इज ए टी हियर, ए टी इक्वल टू एल टी स्क्वायर. And A0 means what? Square of length. A0 equal to L0 square. Therefore LT square means what? Area. L0 square means what? Initial area. And again 1 plus twice alpha t. Try to compare these two expressions, the first one and the last one. What we get? AT same, A0 same, 1 same, T same, beta equal to twice alpha can be obtained. Therefore the final expression for beta, coefficient of surface expansion equal to twice alpha. This is the relation between coefficient of surface expansion and linear coefficient of thermal expansion. Okay. Similarly, if you are trying to find out the relation between gamma and alpha, just let me begin the same expression here as well. वहीं से शुरू करते हैं. एल टी इज इक्वल टू L0 तो फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन 1 प्लस अल्फा टी। जैसे कि आप स्क्वायर किया था यहाँ आपको क्यूब लेना है दोनों साइड में। L2 cube is equal to L0 cube into bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket cube. Again try to expand this. Lt cube is equal to L0 cube. Expansion of 1 plus alpha t bracket cube is comes out to be 1 plus 3 alpha t plus 3 alpha square t square plus alpha cube t cube. This will be the expansion of this bracket. Again I would like to pay your attention, alpha is very small, alpha square is again too much small, alpha cube is again too much small, its value is very less. अल्फा की जो वैल्यू है बहुत ही कम है, उससे अल्फा स्क्वायर और ज़्यादा कम हो जाएगा, अल्फा क्यूब तो बहुत ही कम हो जाएगा। इसको आप निगलेक्ट कर सकते हो, डोंट राइट दिस, यू कैन एक्सक्लूड दिस, छोड़ दो ये दोनों टर्म को। तो फिर L2 क्यूब is equal to L0 cube into bracket 1 plus 3 alpha t. You can exclude these two terms. What's about this V0? V0 means volume and it's in terms of this length. V0 is equal to L0 cube. Here what's about this VT, final volume equal to ELT cube. This L2 cube is nothing but final volume VT. L0 cube is nothing but V0 into bracket 1 plus 3 alpha t. If you are again comparing this expression with the initial basic expression, here VT same, V0 same, 1 same, here there is gamma t, here there is 3 alpha t, that's why gamma must be equal to 3 alpha. And this is the relation between coefficient of cubical expansion with coefficient of linear expansion. So this gives the exact relation between coefficient of surface expansion beta equal to twice alpha and coefficient of cubical expansion gamma equal to 3 alpha. If you are trying to multiply this expression by 3 beta equal to 6 alpha. If you are trying to multiply this by 2 gamma equal to 6 alpha. So this can be interrelated. I hope you will understood this. Thank you. See you next time.